standard form. Standard form, like in, to understand a number in expanded form, you need to understand the standard form too. You can get questions from you know from a expanded form to write it down into the standard normal form too. So what exactly the standard form is, we will understand here. I've already done a pre-work here to save all of us some time. So let's say this is our number, 2,024,211, and it's ask us to write it down in a standard form. So what we're going to do is, what my suggestion would be is to simply break down each and every section. Like we say here, 2 million. We're going to break down first this. Then we are going to break down 24,000, which is this. Then our 200, and then 11. So ideally what we are doing is we are breaking down the digits as per the place value that they have. So when I say 2 million, if I have to break it down, I will simply write it down like this. 2 into 1 million is equals to 2 million. Just remember that million has 6 zeros after it. It's a big number, so if we have to say 2 million, then it will be 2 into 1 million. If we say 3 million, it will 3 into 1 million, which comes out to be the equivalent of it. Then our next set of number is, let's say I'll put it here as A. Then I put it here as B, 24,000. So I wrote down 24 and then 1,000. So 24,000, 24 into 1,000 is our 24,000, so which has 3 zeros out of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to write down 24 and then 1,000, 3 zeros. Then next is 200, 2 zeros. Then 11 into 1 is 11. If we add all of it, it will come out to be 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 0, 2. So we can see it here. 2, 0, 2, 4, here 2, 1, 1. So our standard form is 2,024,211. We can see that after 2 we have 6 digits, which is like our 6 zeros. Then after 24 we have 3 digits, which is our 3 thousandths, and then rest of 200s and 11. This could be a fairly simple example. What we can do is we can figure out one more, which could be another example, which could be better than this. Which has more digits into it. Let's talk about 38 million. Sorry about the writing. Million. 24,000. 4,000s. 300s. 24. So what I'm going to do is why I've written this way so that we can simply figure out and distribute out what exactly our portions are. So first is 38 million. Okay, that would be my A. So I'm gonna just write down in simple maths as in numbers 38 times million, which is 1 million is equal to 6 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 38, which is my 38, and then million, 4, 5, 6, that's a big number, totally. 24,000, that's my second. So this I'm going to distribute into 2. So this says 24 and then 1000. So what I'm going to do is, let's say first 20 thousands, then I'll say 4,000s, 4,000s. We are breaking in to write down a simplest form. We'll calculate it later. And 300s, 300s, 3 times 100. 24. I'm gonna break it further because I can break it more, so that I can get tens and ones. So I'll just take 20 first. This is my one before the last, which is 20. So 2 into tens, and then 4. 4 into ones. So this is my last digit. So now I'm gonna add it up. So 38 million, 20,000, which is my 20,000 here, 20, then thousands. Sorry for the handwriting. 4,000, 4,000s, 300, 300, 220, 20, and then 4 and 1, 4. We add all of it. Let's say what we get. Let's say, I know it's all jumbled up, but we are talking about this line first, which is 4. Let me pick any other color, and so that it will be much easier for you to understand. We are talking about this one. Goes here, which is 2. Then we are talking about this one, which is 3. Then we talk about this, which is 4. Then we talk about this. This is 2. With 0. So 8. We talk about 3. That is your standard number. So if you mash this up with your expanded form, let's see that we have the same thing. So here it is, we can check it out. 38 millions, it has, million has 6 zeros, means like 6 digits after 38, which is 38. This is your million. Then we have zeros, which is like 100,000s. We don't have any value at 100,000, so we can skip this. So we will move to the next, which is 24. So 2, which is, you can say either 20,000 or 24,000, because they both are at the 24,000. So we'll say thousands, 24,000s. Then our next is 100, which is 300s. And last but not the least, which is 24. So if we mash this up here, 38 million, 38 million. Let me write it down here so that we can write it down, read down clearly. 38 million, 024, 024, 324, 324. So the outstanding number matches with the expanded form 38,024,324. So that's your standard form. I hope you liked the video, and I'm sure you by now you have understood what exactly and how you have to figure out the standard form. The more you break in, the more you get easier and quicker. So I would suggest you to break down it to all the positions, which are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 100,000s, 10,000s, 1,000,000, 10,000,000, whatever it is. Stay connected. Look for more videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.